Welcome to the Law in 60 Seconds. My name is Christian Weaver. Today, I want to talk to you about a crucial law that's about to come into force, and it directly concerns you if you're among the 4 million people living in social housing in this country. The law is named Awaab'S Law, after 2-year-old Awaab'S. Tragically, he lost his life in December 2020 due to prolonged exposure to mold in the social home his family rented from Rochdale Borough-wide housing. In my role as the family's barrister, I'm here to shed light on the importance of participating in the consultation for Awaab'S Law. This consultation is a monumental opportunity for tenants to shape the final version of Awaab'S Law and ensure their voices are heard. So what is this all about? Following the inquest into Awaab'S death, the Manchester Evening News and Shelter, on behalf of Awaab'S parents, launched a petition calling for an Awaab'S Law. Awaab'S Law will soon come into force. Among other things, it will legally require your landlord to fix hazards in your property within a specified time frame. If your landlord fails to do so, you can take legal action. Before Awaab'S Law comes into force, there's an opportunity for you to help shape how it should look. The proposals currently look like this. Social landlords must investigate potential hazards within 14 calendar days of being notified, and, as a resident, you must receive a written summary of the investigation findings, including hazard details, next steps, and repair timelines. If a significant risk to health or safety is identified, repairs must start within 7 calendar days of the written summary being issued. Those repairs must be completed within a reasonable time frame, considering your needs, and you should be informed of this time period. Emergency repairs must be addressed as soon as possible, and in any event, within 24 hours. If the property can't be made safe within the specified timescales for Awaab'S Law, landlords must offer to arrange suitable alternative accommodation. Landlords must keep clear records of all attempts to comply with the proposals. Let the government know what you think of these proposals by going to the consultation and filling out your responses. Landlords will be providing their views. Make sure you provide yours so that a balanced and effective Awaab'S Law comes into force. The consultation closes on the 5th of March 2024. Find the consultation by Googling Awaab'S Law Consultation and clicking the gov.uk link. Thank you.
For the period of Awaab'S Law Consultation, Profile Books have lowered the price of The Law in 60 Seconds, a pocket guide to your rights by Christian Weaver. This pocket guide serves as your legal toolkit, equipping you with the skills and knowledge necessary to confidently face authority. Use it to gain a deeper understanding of your rights and navigate the legal landscape with newfound confidence.